Welcome to the Incy alphabet, bite-sized lettering tutorials for your busy life. Today's letter is A, and A is not only a really special letter, especially if your name is Amanda Arneill, count the number of A's in that one, but it's also a really great one to fix because so often A's are done a little bit off. So today we're going to look at the base of the A. Now, since I don't want you ever to have to worry about perfection, take a pen, a pencil, or something and put a random scribble somewhere on your page. We're not worried about being perfect, we're just learning together. I'm going to be using 3 different colors of Crayola markers today, but you can just use one if you'd like. The 3 are going to help me show you what I'm talking about for today's tutorial. First, with an A, there is the body of the A, which is an oval shape. And if you're doing downstrokes and upstrokes, that means that the side that goes down towards your body, you're putting a bit of pressure on to get this thick line, and then coming up away from your body is a thin line. So you end up with an oval with one thick side and one thin side. When you go to add in your downstroke though, the placement of that is very important and can completely change the way that an A looks. It can either make it really, really great or make it really, really squished looking. When you place your downstroke, you don't want to line it up so that it's right in the middle of this line. Let me show you why not. If you do that, you're going to end up actually encroaching on the area that was supposed to be a beautiful upstroke. Let me just color that in the green so you can see what I mean about the encroaching. We have lost that beautiful upstroke that was leading in here, and we've ended up with these strange corner areas. So instead of that, do your oval with that upstroke. When it just barely touches, then you are able to get a beautiful A with lots of space for the round body, and it doesn't at all squish it or lose any of those upstrokes. Take a look at your A's that you're doing and see if you're overlapping or if you're just barely touching. They should be kissing, but it's like a Valentine's first kiss. So not really getting in there, but just a teeny little peck. That's what you want for your A. It's our first letter, it's your letter's first date, and it's your letter's first tiny baby kiss. Now don't throw this piece of paper away. We're going to continue working on A next day using that overhead loop to change this from a base A to one that is more of a serif style.